School is busy this morning. Everyone seems to be settling into the day. Some students are talking with friends.
Then, one Monday, something changes. It is Monday morning. Lily arrives at school. She loves her friends. She sees her friends. But something feels different today.
Oh, morning, Lily. Good morning. Good morning.
The girls put something away very quickly. Lily notices.
Lily talks and smiles. But
But she has noticed something. Lily walks to class. Something is different today. She can feel it. During the morning break, Sophie takes something from her bag.
She gives invitations to every girl in the group.
Maya looks down the corridor. She sees Lily.
Lily watches. She understands now. Okay. Okay.
Lily walks away. She does not look back.
At lunchtime, her friends are sitting together. There is no space saved for Lily.
all the seats are taken.
Lily looks around the cafeteria.
Wow, that is so funny. All the seats are taken.
Nobody saved a seat for Lily. It is okay. It is fine.
She looks out the window. The sky is gray today.
Another student sits nearby, Lily. Gives them a very small, warm smile.
Maya looks across the cafeteria. She sees Lily at the window table.
After school, Lily gets on the bus.
She looks out the window. She does not speak to anyone.
Her phone has messages. She puts it face down. She rests her head against the window. She is very quiet. The bus drives home. Lily looks out the window.
Lily, how was school?
Fine, I am going upstairs.
Rachel hears Lily go upstairs. Sam hears it too.
Very slowly.
She closes her bedroom door. She sits on her bed. She is very quiet.
Sam heard Lily come in. He noticed something.
Is Lily okay?
She did not sound okay. Her voice was different. She makes her voice sound normal, but it is not normal.
You notice a lot.
She is my sister. Mom, just listen to her.
That is all. Lily, can I come in?
Yes?
You do not have to talk. I am just here. Rachel simply sits with Lily. She does not rush.
Rachel listens. She is completely here. Lily takes a slow breath, and she begins to speak.
Lily tells Mom everything.
Rachel,
Listens. Invitations were given to every student in the group, but not to me. At lunch, I sat at a different table. Nobody saved me a seat. Maya saw me. She looked right at me, and she said nothing. I thought, my best friend.
Rachel holds Lily. She does not say anything. I am so sorry that happened. It was not kind, and you did not deserve it. The people who truly care about you, they will always come back. Watch and see.
What if they don't come back?
They were not truly yours, and you deserve people who truly are. Lily leans on Mom. She feels a little better now. Tuesday morning, Lily gets up.
Good morning. Morning. You are going to be okay.
Lily picks up her bag. She goes back to school. The sky is blue today. Much better than yesterday.
Lily arrives at school. Then she hears someone running.
Maya runs toward Lily. She needs to say something.
Please wait. Please wait. I am sorry. I saw you yesterday, and I said nothing. I went to Sophie last night. If you are not invited, I am not coming. You did that? Yes. Because you are my best friend.
Sophie comes to find Lily. She has something to say.
Lily, I am sorry. I should have invited you. Can you come, please? Yes, thank you, Sophie.
Maya holds Lily's hand. Very quietly. At lunchtime, Maya saves Lily a seat, right beside her.
Lily sits down.
The seat was saved for her.
Lily laughs. A real, genuine laugh.
Sophie and Lily. They exchange a very small smile. Small. Real. Enough.
The teacher walks past. She notices Lily. Lily learned something that week. Real friends choose you.
Have you ever felt left out? Tell us in the comments.
The people who truly care about you will always choose you.
If you liked our story today, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to English Heartbeat for a new story every single week.